Hello, awesome people, and welcome back to my Yes to Branding Success YouTube channel. And I am Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and online branding strategist. And if this is your first time meeting me, welcome to my channel. And if you like tips and tools and strategies and resources on things to build your business as a small business owner concerning branding, social media, strategies, how to navigate through this social jungle, then this is the channel for you. So if you like our channel, be sure and subscribe and hit that little notification bell, ding 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 ding, because then you will get notified every time I do a video, which is about once a week. Sometimes I'll do two, but this is May. You're gonna get a video on my May challenge. So I sat down and I thought about, okay, it's May, what can I do? I love planning and thinking and coming up with things and being creative to share with you guys, my audience, my small business owners, my entrepreneurs, those of you who wear many hats like me, your solopreneurs. So I thought, what can I do with May? Because I'm so excited about May. And if you know anything about me, I love to share my own experiences and things that are working for me as a small business owner. You know, I'm a professor at the college, I'm a professional photographer. So I am a business owner who wears a lot of hats. So I have to be organized, I have to plan, I have to schedule. I am going to do a May challenge, and I'm going to challenge you to join me in the May challenge. So every week I'm going to do a short video on things that we can do to grow and brand our business. So it involves 3 C's, guys, okay? And so the first C is content, because my theme for May is content creation. So I'm just going to be talking a lot about content creation and building your business with content the whole month of May, whether it's on video or podcast or my social media. But the first C, guys, is content. We have to produce content. So my May challenge consists of, the second C is commitment. You have to be committed to the 4 weeks, okay? So we had this 4-week May challenge, and the same for me. So we're going to take it 1 week at a time. And then the third C is consistency. So we have to create content. We have to be committed to this. In other words, we can't let things take us away. We can't just say, oh, I'm too busy, I didn't get to do it, or we can't be running around, you know, and we didn't get to do it. We have to commit to this May challenge. And then thirdly, we have to be consistent on a week-by-week basis. So I'm going to make 4 videos, 1 a week for you. So be sure and check us out. Check out the website, marshalynhudson.com, but check out the YouTube channel, because I'm going to have a video up every week. So here we go. Get a pen, get some paper, so you can take some notes on what we're going to do this first week of May. Okay, so May 4th through 8th. Here we go. Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, so week 1, we're going to look at our social media sites, whether you have 2 or 3. I always suggest to really focus on 2 or 3, okay? Not 1 and not all of them, all right? So maybe you have LinkedIn, or you have Facebook, or you have LinkedIn and Facebook or Instagram, or pick 2 or 3, because you're going to commit to this for 1 week. So we're going to post to our social sites at least 2 days this week. 3 would be wonderful if you could do 3 days this week. And I always tell people, when you sit down to post, like right now, I have my glasses here, I have my notes here, I have my paper here, I have a little table here, I got the window light coming in, I got my background here. But I always say, when you are getting ready to decide on posting, pick 30 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour at the most, that's it, and decide what you're going to post to all 2 or 3 at one time, and you're done for the day. So if you carve out an hour, maybe it's 10 to 11 or 10:30 to 11:30, or carve out 45 minutes and decide, okay, I'm going to post, let's say it's a Tuesday, I'm going to post to my Facebook, my LinkedIn, and my Instagram. And you already know where you're going to post because we have themes, okay? And I talked about that in my other video, and I'll put that down in the description link below on the video that I also made this week on what to do with content creation and giving you ideas, 7 strategies for content creation. So be sure and see that video. And I talked about picking a theme. So let's say for week 1, you pick a theme. My theme for week 1 is content creation strategies. That's what I'm dealing with for week 1. So pick a theme. So when you go to post to your site, it's all surrounded around your theme. Okay, you can go to Facebook and post a question about your theme and answer it. You can go to LinkedIn and post 2 or 3 tips on your theme and show how those strategies will help your audience. Then you can go to Instagram, find an image, and talk about your theme in your content. So everything revolves around your theme. So pick 2 to 3 days and decide that you're going to post with the theme that you choose to your 2 to 3 sites. Okay, that's week 1. We're in week 1 of our May challenge. So next, when you decide you're going to post 2 to 3 days, you can decide in your planning time, because normally you plan the week before. You can decide, okay, I'm going to do a variety in my post. One day I'm going to do some type of motivational or inspirational information around my theme. Okay, there are 3 good elements to posting on social media that I like for myself, that has worked well for me. And the 3 elements are a great image. Okay, you always want to have an image with a post. The second one is good content. We talked about content. I talked about it in my other video, so be sure to see that. And the third one is hashtags. We need to use hashtags to reach a broader audience. So every time you post, include those 3, okay? A great image, hashtags, and good content. Okay, so maybe one day you're going to do something motivational and inspirational. Maybe another day you're going to do something that gives a bit more teaching, like how-to information or some tips from your industry. Okay, and if you do a third day, which is great, add an article. You'll include a link to an article where this article may have some really great information that you want to share with your audience. So that gives you some ideas of what you can post for your 2 to 3 days. Okay, so we're in week 1 of the May challenge. All right, and I'm just kind of making it really easy for you. If you do your content, you're committed and you're consistent. Okay, what else are we going to do in week 1? So that was just 1 hour out of our day. We pick an hour, we do our 3 posts, all right? 2 to 3 days a week. Now, I'm going to challenge you, and I know some people are like, Marsha, I hate video. I hate myself on video. It's okay. I'm going to challenge you to at least make 1 video with your phone this week, okay? May 4th through May 8th in the May challenge. 1 video with your phone. I don't see my phone, but pick up your phone, make a video. Maybe you do a Q&A video. It may be a minute or a minute and a half. But think of a question that your audience is asking you all of the time. And I know they ask you questions from your industry, and answer the question. And so that's your Q&A. So 1 video this week with your phone, and then upload that video to your social site. Put a little content around it, put some hashtags, and you're done. Okay, so that's part of our week 1 challenge, 1 video. And one other thing that I want you to do this week, if you get to it, don't beat yourself up if you can't do everything, but send out 1 email to your followers. That is going to be great, because what are we trying to do? We're trying to stay on top of minds of our followers. We're trying to give them valuable information. We're presenting ourselves as resource people. This will brand and build and grow your business. I promise you, it's done it for me. So if you can do 1 email, that is great. Maybe Thursday, okay? Give you a little time during the week. So send an email out. A short email giving some valuable information. You can even talk about your services there, because we talked about sometimes you can promote yourself. You've given a lot of great information during the week, so you send an email. So let's say we're going to send an email on Thursday. Okay, so let's go over the 1 week May challenge, week 1 to plan, okay? So number 1, you're going to post to 2 to 3 sites more than one site, and you're going to post, going to pick a theme, you're going to post 2 to 3 days, okay? You're going to carve out 1 hour out of your day for those 2 to 3 days, and you're going to put either your motivational scene, your Q&A, whatever. The second thing is we're going to do in week 1 is we're going to make one short video with our phones, okay? We pick up our phone, we do a video, upload it to our site. And the third thing we're going to do in week 1 in our May challenge is send an email out to your followers. I tell you guys, this is going to be transformation for us as business owners. I will be telling you how my weekly challenge is going. So this is week 1 of our May challenge, and I will be doing another video in week 2, 3, and 4. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm very excited about May. I plan on growing my followers. I plan on getting more followers. I plan on growing my email in May. And let's not forget, guys, celebrate the small wins. Even in this 1 week, if you got 3 new followers, that's wonderful. You don't have to get 50 or 100 or 1,000 in a week. But if you got 3 really good new followers, they saw your information, they liked it, it was valuable, and they decided, I want to follow this person. This person gives good information. And that's how you're going to build your following, build your business. So I'm very excited about the May challenge, and I hope you are too. So guys, be sure and visit my website at MarshaLynHudson.com, because I got a lot of free resources there that you can download to help you also with content creation, because that's my theme for this month. And don't forget, if you like our tips and tools and strategies from this channel, be sure and subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding, 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 and it will notify you every time I do a video. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay well. I'm Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and online branding strategist.